Hey Google, lights on. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a microphone from one of my favorite companies that make USB microphones. This microphone is from FIFINE, FIFINE, whatever you call it your thing. This is the latest USB microphone that just dropped like last month. This is the T732. It is a microphone that sells around $50. That has a boom arm, a shock mount, a pop filter, and the microphone itself, obviously. This is a great kit for a starter if you're a streamer, if you're trying to get into content on YouTube, whatever sorts of content you are. This is a great starting kit, especially for $50. I am really excited, and I doubt that this microphone will actually disappoint me because none of the FIFINE microphones that I've ever reviewed ever let me down, to be honest. They've always been the best microphones I've reviewed. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to welcome you. I'd like to encourage you to hit the subscribe button, stick around the channel. In this channel, you'll find videos like this, reviewing tech stuff, streaming stuff, gaming stuff, PC building stuff, all sorts of stuff that has to do with gaming and fun setups like this. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this microphone. Let's open up the T732, check it out, set it up, and test it out. Let's go. Oh, no knife needed, I guess. As you guys see, same old user guide, the sticker for social media stuff, pop filter. Oh wow, this is a little bit different than usual. Okay, so this is the microphone. As you guys can see, which is actually pretty nice, to be honest. It looks really nice. The diameter looks bigger than the T669 and feels really nice, to be honest. Very balanced. The weight is all on the bottom and the material feels very actually nice compared to other USB microphones that I've reviewed. This is the actual shock mount. As you guys can see, it is pretty nice. It has this red string across to hold the microphone, which is a new thing for FIFINE. Overall, it looks really nice. It has some padding in the middle to protect the microphone from audio shaking and stuff like that. Foam around the microphone, which is really nice. This is a clamp to go on your desk, basically, so you can clamp it to your desk. And the USB to connection, which is USB normal to USB 2.0. Pretty normal stuff. We're used to this by now. Oh, okay, so it does come. This is actually really nice. So it comes with the stand that comes with all FIFINE microphones, as you can see now. So you don't have to actually use the boom arm. You can just use this if you want to, which is very nice, to be honest, because not everybody actually cares about using a boom arm. And we have the boom arm itself, which this one feels very sturdy, to be honest. More sturdy than the one I currently have, so I might use this as my permanent one. But yeah, super nice overall. Let's go ahead and plug this in. What is going on, guys? We have the T732 plugged in right now. We have 0 filters on this microphone right now. A side note, the cable on this microphone that comes with it is like 8 feet long. So if you're worried about how long the cable is, it's quite long. Maybe 6 to 8, I don't know, in that area. Either way, it's pretty long. Couple notes. The microphone in Windows settings is set at 85 gain, because that's how I usually do all my USB microphones. I found out that that's the best for less noisy microphones when it comes to USB microphones. In OBS, it's set to 100% decibels, the audio. So nothing over there that's crazy, but that's basically the environment we're testing this microphone in. I am about like 3 inches away from it right now. We're mainly going to do 3 tests. The test number 1 is the audio test, which is what you're hearing me right now say, right? Like, how you guys doing? My name is GivemChills. I post weekly videos on this channel, tech channel. I just review microphones and I review tech stuff that has to do with gaming and all sorts of stuff. That's basically a test number 1 that I'm going to be listening to, is what does the microphone sound like, right? Because this is a realistic distance, 3 to 4 inches between the microphone when I'm streaming, when I'm gaming, when I'm talking to people on a phone call or a video call or whatever. This is what it is, right? Test number 2 is kind of important to me and to a lot of gamers, is what does the keyboard sound like, right? Like, is this thing gonna pick up the crap out of my keyboard and just be extremely annoying, or is it gonna be really easily? For that test, I'm gonna grab my keyboard from back there. We're gonna put it right here and we're gonna test with it. So let's do that. Okay guys, so we have the keyboard right now. This is the keyboard I'm using for gaming. It's not plugged in. It doesn't really need to be plugged in. I'm gonna put it right here. This is where I usually have my keyboard in front of me. So let's go ahead. Test number 2 for the T732, going in 1, 2, 3. All right. Keep in mind this keyboard is blue switches, so it's a little bit too loud, to be honest. If you have like brown switches or red, you shouldn't be in as much trouble as this. But overall, all of these can be avoided with some noise suppressions and noise reduction filters on OBS. So if you're interested in the filters that I have in my OBS when I'm streaming or talking, click on this video right here and you can watch it later on, or go to my channel. You'll find it over there as well. But yeah, this is test number 2, and test number 3 is a very important one, which is background noise. What does this microphone sound when there's no talking, and when there's just, I'm not talking on stream or on a call? Does it sound loud? Is it just picking up all crap around my house or not? So background test going in 1, 2, 3, and silence. All right, so those were the 3 things that I really wanted to test. Obviously, I'm trying to do, as I'm reviewing this microphone, talk from different angles, so you guys can pick up an idea of what it sounds like if you're talking from a different angle. Without further ado, I'm going to go check out the audio, and I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Stay there. I have a lot on my mind right now. Let's just start with this. This microphone is extremely similar in the audio pattern to the T669. What I mean by that is it's one of those microphones that you gotta be directionally talking to it. You can't like talk to that direction. It's just not gonna pick up the same. It's meant for this kind of talking and recording and gaming and all sorts of stuff. You gotta be close to it, and that's where it shines. It sounds so crisp. It sounds very clean. I am a person that's usually hard to understand. I mumble a lot and I swallow letters. English is my 3rd language, so I struggle to pronunciate words sometimes. But to be honest, I am very surprised how good this microphone is. I thought the T669 is going to be, you can't make a better microphone than that because it's just good. It's a great price. But this is a $49 microphone that has same or better qualities than the T669. It sounds super crisp. It looks really good. It's very nice material. I actually like this shock mount better than the T669s or the other ones as well. Don't get me wrong, they're great microphones, but I think FIFINE did a great job with this microphone. It looks really good. It sounds really, really good. The background noise was not terrible. It's easily taken out by a noise filter. Matter of fact, let me put my filters back on and you can see the difference. Okay, so now we have all the filters that I usually use on this microphone. I think it should sound better. I'll check it out afterwards. But either way, I totally recommend this microphone. This is the latest and greatest from FIFINE. It's probably going to be the best USB microphone out there for a while too. It was said here first. GivemChills said this microphone is premium, really nice. It sounds really good, and it's a great price of $50 for this kind of quality of audio. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you're interested in buying the T732, I'll leave a link down below in the description. That link is affiliated with Amazon, so I do get a tiny bit of commission based off of that sale. Overall, I truly appreciate you guys sticking around. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So it is pretty cool to see where we've come in the last year, and hopefully this year we hit 10,000 and more. But yes, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or any comments or anything that concerns, don't hesitate. Put them in the comments down there. I'll respond to everything and I'll like everything. I'm very active in the comment section. Yeah. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.